Alex's English class, and today I'm going to introduce you about snoring. From cannonballs to uniforms and machines that get stored electric pulses to our bodies, we are going to find out about snoring. These machines stopped us from snoring, and now we're going to find out what happens with the snoring and why, snoring happens. Well, when we go to sleep, our airways get thinner, and the blood vessels also get thinner, and so the blood pressure gets pressurized, and so this causes us, to make us vibrate, and this vibration makes a sound, and this sound makes us snoring. Okay, so now we found out about why snoring happens. Let's find out about the harmful parts of snoring. Well, it looks harmless, but there is unharmful parts of snoring. So, this is obstructive sleep apnea. This, happens in almost a quarter of adults, and almost 80% don't know about their disease, causing cardiovascular disease. There is also central sleep apnea, which is very rare, and there is also a situation when a person has both. In obstructive sleep apnea, people stop breathing 10 seconds before waking, and so this happens by choking and some kind of sound like that, and it happens in 5 times an hour. But if it is worse, there can be 30 times in an hour. So this can happen more in older people who have a more thinner blood vessels, and also people with a thicker neck or a long tongue or a small jaw. So, training our mouth muscles can help us stop getting us from obstructive sleep apnea, but there's also a way by not sleeping on your back and also keeping your head up. Okay, today I introduced you about snoring, and next time I'll come with a different topic. Bye bye and see